Now, in this video, we're going to answer the following question. A school has a total of 1,200 students. In Year 10, there are 200 students. A survey of 120 students is conducted using stratified sampling. How many Year 10 students should be selected? If you find this video useful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Stratified sampling is a sampling method where the population is divided into smaller groups, called strata, based on shared characteristics or attributes. In this question, that would be their year group. Then a random sample is taken from each group, ensuring that all strata are represented in the final sample. To calculate a stratified sample, we divide the intended sample size by the population size to get the sampling fraction. Then multiply that fraction by the size of each stratum to get the number of individuals to sample from that group. So, for this question, we need to divide the sample size given to us, which is 120, by the population size, which is 1,200, to get the sampling fraction. Then we multiply that fraction by the number of students in Year 10, which is 200. So let's begin by dividing 120 by 1,200. We can simplify this because 120 is a factor of both the numerator and denominator, which gives us a sampling fraction of 1/10. Then we multiply 1/10 by 200, which we can simplify by dividing the numerator and denominator by 10 to get 20. So the number of students selected in Year 10 and the answer to this question is 20. If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.